Hi, I'm Michaela, and this is my process video for my screen print, Mosquitoes and the Tarot. So first things first, I had to start with a sketch. I took a class on magical realism last semester, and I wanted to do a piece that was based loosely off of an essay that I had to write. And that essay was based off of a tarot reading about mosquitoes that I had. So I sketched, and 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 I sketched, until I finally came up with something that I liked while I was watching Voltron Season 6. I started off a little big.
This is too big.
So I tried again.
Why does this feel bigger?
And then I realized paper can be whatever size I want it to be.
It says you can't have your paper.
And then I took it into the studio to start inking.
Mardy, I've seen your frown and it's like looking down the barrel of a gun and it goes off. And how come all these words? Oh, there's a very pleasant sound.
And once I finished, I took it into the computer room to scan. And then the next day, I exposed my screen so I could start printing the mosquito that's in the background. Before I realized that it was too small. So I went to buy more paper for a new stencil, and it was the next day. After playing around with sizes, I finally found something that I was okay with. I had originally planned on printing things in different colors, but my screen said not so fast. And there's a new day. I was very proud of being able to print something that didn't look like absolute garbage. And I added gold leaf because it's pretty. It was really fun. And here's the final product, in its beautiful shimmering glory, Mosquitoes and the Tarot.